preserved for so long, stored, packaged, canned for so long. அந்த மாதிரி preservation நம்ம பாடிக்கு தேவையில்லை, அந்த freeze response தேவையில்லை. And we are the earthly beings who rely on sun and moon cycle, right? So following the food which nurtured by the sun itself, good enough. ஸோ எப்படி சன் வந்து ரேடியன்ட் கொடுக்குதோ ஏர்த்துக்கு, ஸோ அந்த மண்ணிலேருந்து வர அந்த பேசிக்கான ஃபுட்டு that is already good enough for us. Then anything that has to be processed, curated newly, and also preserved, we don't need those kind of food. So that is geography and also gene that we talk about. Asians, we makan rice, we eat all the ragi, kelvargu. All these are part of our ancient Indian food, right? That itself contain a lot of fiber, protein, minerals. அதெல்லாமே enough-ஆ இருக்கு நமக்கு. So diet is not something that you're gonna adopt newly, whatever that has been westernized. Rather, diet is nothing but going back to your body's DNA, body's coding, how it has curated, and then giving the same thing. That's it. Reducing all the processed, synthesized food. Basic grow பண்ற food. Any food சீக்கிரமா கெட்டு போற food, actually a food which has life. Since we are a life form, a food which has life will சீக்கிரம் கெட்டு போயிடும் இல்லையா? அப்படின்னா நம்ம லைஃபை தான் சாப்பிட்றோம், கரெக்டாக தான் சாப்பிட்றோம். எனிதிங் தட் கெட்டு போ ரொம்ப நாள் எடுக்குதுன்னா it doesn't have life form. We are eating something is not similar to our DNA அந்த மாதிரி. Yeah.